morning. We are here in Oakhurst and we're heading into Yosemite.
We are at the entrance of Yosemite. We're stuck in a line to get into the park. I think because everybody's wanting to get in the morning. Last night we stayed at a Hampton Inn in Oakhurst and it was pretty nice. It came with free breakfast, which is good. So we got our protein and some coffee on board, so we're doing pretty good. Weeby has some extreme allergies hitting.
Yeah, I sound very nasally.
I like to say he's my city boy. He grew up in the city versus I grew up more in the country.
I think it's from the pines that are in Sequoia.
When we get out in nature, he always has an allergy.
Yeah.
But we're excited to check out Yosemite, and especially this being our first time, we're excited to see Half Dome and all those iconic places in Yosemite.
But the best location for Half Dome is closed.
So what is it called? Glacier Point? Glacier Point
closed.
is closed. The only way you can get to it is, it was called like 4 Mile Trek or something like that.
Yeah.
And it's 4 miles up and then 4 miles back. And as you all know, if you watch our videos, we are not in good enough shape to do that.
It said something like a 3,000 foot elevation gain or something
Yeah,
like that. And I'm just like,
it was
no.
estimated like round trip to take like 6 to 8 hours.
Yeah. That would be the entire day.
Yeah,
Just
so
to do that. So.
that's not going to work out for us, but we're going to see what all else we can get up to. There's a lot more to do in the park than just go see that one lookout.
You gonna get over here? Okay.
Yeah. We're gonna go see the Bridal Veil Falls a little closer.
Closer up, yeah. And not just driving by.
Yeah, it's around the corner, so we're
Yeah.
gonna have to walk over.
I think everything is closed while we're here.
That's okay. Things need to be under construction. I did hear that this year, the year of 2022, was not the best year to come to Yosemite
Really?
because of all the closed areas for construction. So maybe 2023 will be the year.
The year when everything's brand new.
When everything's new and fresh.
Yeah.
So here was our view. Oh, it's beautiful. Weeby said that Curry Village is his kind of village.
Yeah, that sounds delicious.
are checking out Yosemite's cemetery, which makes sense that they would have a cemetery, but I guess I just wasn't expecting it. It's pretty interesting. What a place to have your final rest. We are hiking to Mirror Lake.
Again, walking on a trail. We're in a bit of a drought. We're gonna cross the lake so we can get to the other side.
Oh my gosh, it's so cold. I think my fingers are breathing.
Going numb. It's cold. It's really cold.
It is cold. We're leaving Fresno, California, and headed to Reno for Lake Tahoe. I'm gonna miss these giant sequoias. Even the fake ones are impressive.
Fake ones in the airport.
Yeah.